when it comes to buying a car in the US. Reliability isn't just a bonus, it's everything. These are the vehicles Americans trust to start every time, last 4 years, and save money on repairs. In 2026, some models continue to dominate the roads because they combine durability, comfort, and resale value. Number 5. Toyota Camry, a household name for decades. Known for its bulletproof reliability, fuel efficiency, and smooth ride, the Camry is perfect for daily commutes, family trips, and everything in between. Its maintenance costs are low, and owners swear by its long-term performance. Number 4. Honda Accord, another legend in reliability. The Accord delivers a refined driving experience, advanced safety tech, and consistent performance year after year. Its combination of comfort and durability makes it a favorite among families and professionals alike. Number 3. Toyota RAV4, America's favorite SUV with practical space, off-road capability, and proven dependability. The RAV4 is perfect for city streets or weekend adventures. Hybrid versions add efficiency without compromising performance. Number 2. Honda CR-V, compact, versatile, and ultra-reliable. The CR-V offers a smooth ride, excellent cargo space, and long-lasting engineering. Owners love its low maintenance costs and consistent performance across decades of use. Number 1. Ford F-150, the king of American pickups. Rugged, durable, and ready for work or play, the F-150 has been the best-selling vehicle in the US for decades. Its reliability, power, and versatility make it an essential choice for anyone needing a truck that lasts. The takeaway: these cars aren't just about brand loyalty, they're about trust. From sedans like the Camry and Accord to SUVs and trucks like the RAV4, CR-V, and F-150. These vehicles are what Americans count on every day. In 2026, reliability still rules the road, and these models are the proof.